Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Alan, and I'm from the United States, specifically from New York. And welcome to my channel, Brazi Dicas. In this video, I'm going to teach you some more basic vocabulary in Brazilian Portuguese. You'll learn words like yes and thank you, and expressions like my name is and nice to meet you. So whether you're studying the Portuguese language or simply planning a trip to Brazil, let's learn Portuguese for Beginners, Basic Expressions, Part 2. Essential vocabulary. Before we jump into some expressions, I want to teach you some important words that will help ease communication in Portuguese. To give an affirmative response in Portuguese, you would say sim, which means yes. To give a negative response, you would say não, which means no. Both of these words are perfect examples of the nasal sound, which is very common in Portuguese. So for the first word, you're not saying sim, but rather pretending the M consonant doesn't exist, so that it sounds more like sim. For the second word, it's not now, but não. It might help if you say these words as if you were speaking French. If you're requesting something in Portuguese, it's polite to say por favor, which means please. There's a common word in Portuguese that means thank you and changes slightly depending on who's saying it. Someone who identifies as a man would say obrigado, and someone who identifies as a woman would say obrigada. If you thank someone in Portuguese, they would likely respond with de nada, which means you're welcome. When you go to Brazil, the people there will be very excited to meet you and will want to know more about you. The first question they will probably ask is, Qual é o seu nome? Which means, what is your name? There are two common ways in Portuguese to answer this question. The first one is, o meu nome é, and means my name is. The second one is, me chamo, and has the literal translation of, I call myself. So if I were to answer this question, I could say, o meu nome é Alan, or me chamo Alan. In Brazil, both of these are common, and are just two different ways of letting people know what your name is. The next question a Brazilian will likely ask you is, de onde você é? Or, where are you from? The most common response in Portuguese is to say, eu sou de, which means I am from. So I could respond with, eu sou de Nova York. I'm from New York. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States. Eu sou da América do Norte. I'm from North America. After you meet someone and introduce yourself in Portuguese, it's common to say muito prazer, which means nice to meet you. So, let's go over what we learned in this video. Essential vocabulary. Sim, yes. Não, no. Por favor, please. Obrigado, obrigada, thank you. De nada, you're welcome. Introductions. Qual é o seu nome? What is your name? O meu nome é. My name is. Me chamo. My name is. De onde você é? Where are you from? Eu sou de. I am from. Muito prazer. Nice to meet you. So, guys, I hope I was able to teach you some more vocabulary and some common ways to introduce yourself in Portuguese. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Until next time, and thanks for watching.